So some tips for beginner hip hop tricks. I struggled with hip hop tricks for the longest time, and all of it came down to I was never using my arms. So if you're gonna go back into a kip up, so if I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna go into a kip up right now, I hope you guys can see me. I'm gonna roll back, and I'm gonna put my arms here. So they're gonna be right, almost like in a triangle with my head, and then you wanna have them there. Make sure you use them, don't just let them fall afterwards. So, when you roll back though, you wanna make sure that you roll and you get up on your shoulders in this position. It's kind of hard to hold for me, it's been a minute. And then when you come down to do the little pump, you wanna pump it here, and then that's immediately where you wanna start to spring from. And you don't just wanna use your legs to spring, you have to use your arms to spring you up, okay? So, if I do it, hopefully it will look like this. I'm gonna go back, hands down, pump, spring. And I used my arms to spring me forward. When I was first learning how to do it, my coaches and captains would tell me to act like I was throwing a basketball because I just kept like leaving an arm on the ground, or I would just sneak him forward, and I really want to use all my momentum. And so you really have to use that arm strength to your advantage and throw them forward. And that'll help you also get things like head springs and kip ups to standing, because you'll have so much momentum to get up. Practice, practice, practice again. Take videos of yourself, and it'll make the world's difference. I'm telling you, you'll be like, oh my gosh, I did not know I was doing that, and it'll help a ton. For stalls, make sure that you don't, when you go down, make sure that you don't like break your neck. Make sure that you're really here and have super strong arms for that, and really hold yourself up. You have to use your core a lot. So if I'm going down, you also have to find your positioning. My body's a little bit misproportioned. So a lot of people I know say they put their hands here. I have to put mine here just because of like the length of my body. It like doesn't reach right. So again, the exact correct positioning, not exactly sure. Sorry, I wish I could help you there. But when you go down, you want to make sure that your head, it's not like this or you're going to hurt your neck. You want to be up and here. And that comes from a lot of core. You can hear I'm out of breath because I literally was just squeezing my core so tight for one stall. So again, practicing those, videotaping yourselves, making sure you're squeezing every ounce of everything you have in your body to hold yourself up. Arms and core, that's what will help with every single hip hop trick. So if you are struggling, maybe doing some push-ups, some abs, any arm exercises, whatever it may be, to help build that strength to be able to do that and have the control for it.
I'm a young boy genius. That's what my bank account balance say. I got a check from a shoe company, now I do anything in New Balance say. I bought her a plane ticket out of state. I got me a shorty from Monterey, set her mentality. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got a hit, she been playing that shit. So when she pull up on me, I know what she about to say. It's poppin', brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Hi everyone, I'm Melanie, and we're gonna learn our hip hop combo. For the first 2 8 counts of the music, you have improv, have some fun, do your own thing, get ready to groove, and get ready to dance. So you hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is your own. From there, we're gonna walk forward with our arms in a baby T. We're gonna go 1, 2, drop it down low, 3, swipe, 4, around 5, up, 6, 7, 8. Continuing right along, we have a body roll to the front. 1, 2, drop it down, 3, 4, arms go to an airplane, we're gonna back it up, 5, 6, hand comes to your head, 7, head up, 8. Next up, we're gonna cross over our right foot in a ball change, so we're gonna go left, right, up. So that's 1, 2, you're gonna bring it back with a roll, 3, 4. And then you're gonna move on and we're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8. Have fun with that, just groove along with that. Again, we just did back and airplane, head up, crossing over. 1, 2, roll it back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up, we're gonna walk back with our right foot. Our shoulders are just gonna kind of groove back with it. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna hands on 4, head on 5, pike it up, 6, bend 7, push over 8, land 1. That is your head spring. Your hands again, 4, head on 5, pike up 6, bend your legs 7, push over 8, we land 1. Next up, right after the head spring, we're gonna hold. Our head goes on 4. So you land on 1, 2, 3, 4. We walk back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again, right after the head spring, we just got up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it back. 5, 6, 7, drop it. 8, pull it. 1. Moving right along. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna replace your right foot with your left foot, and your right foot's gonna come up. So this 1, 2, 3. Your head goes down. 4. Step it. 5. Pull it. 6, 7, 8, and again, right after we just pulled it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and next up, we're gonna do a circle right under ourselves. We're gonna go to the right. 1, 2, 3, together. 4. You're gonna push your right leg back, hand up. Now your shoulders are gonna go 7, 8. Again, we just did. Pull it. 1, 2, 3, hit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and around. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finishing it up, we go to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it out with whatever hand you want. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of your hip hop combo. All right, we're gonna do our hip hop combo from the back with counts. Remember, the first 2 8 counts are all yours for an improv. And then we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, walk it out. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Like Phoenix, my city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. That's what my bank account balance say. I got a check from a shoe company, now I do anything a New Balance say. I bought her a plane to get out of state. I got me a shorty from Monterey, said I'm in town today. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got her here, she been playing that shit, so when she pull up on me, I know what she about to say. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, this Hopkins. I got options, I can pass that shit like Sergeant. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday logging. My body got rid of them toxins.